Hello and welcome to this new video on how to recover deleted files from OneDrive. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you'll be signing up on further videos. Now let's get started. So the deleted files from OneDrive will be saved in the recycle bin that is present in the OneDrive. So in order to recover the deleted files from the recycle bin, you just have to look on the bottom right hand side of the taskbar. There will be an cloud icon. You just have to click on that cloud icon and a pop-up box will appear, and on the taskbar of that pop-up box there will be 4 different options there: open folder, view online, recycle bin and upgrade. So you just have to click on the recycle bin, and when you click on the recycle bin, it will redirect you to the recycle bin section of your OneDrive, and there you will be able to find the deleted files. So you just have to choose the file that you want to recover, and after that you just have to do a right click on that particular file, and there will be an option called restore. So you just have to click on that restore and you will be able to recover that particular file or the bundle of files. So this is how to recover deleted files from OneDrive. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.